Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. It is Friday the 2nd, April 2nd, right? Today's April 2nd. Hope everybody had a great day yesterday. Did you see me online? I was online at 4:15 yesterday. Just kidding. April Fools. I never made it on yesterday. Sorry about that. Let's see. It is Friday. We are open this weekend. Our $9.99 special for the week is our grilled calamari with a chipotle mayo. And our $9.99 special on Sunday is our shrimp and mussels green curry. That's available on Sunday. Happy Easter to everybody out there. We are open on Easter Sunday. We open at 3 o'clock. We're not really doing any special menu except for our $9.99 specials to go. But we are open. You can order to go. You can come in and eat. But we open at 3 o'clock on Sunday. So thank you, everybody, for watching me. Thank you for your support. I see a lot of names on, a lot of people on. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Susan. Hello, Gretchen. Tracy. Hello, everybody. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Marcus and I appreciate your support. Our grocery store is still open. Our wine is still available to go. We have food, groceries available. And of course, our full menu is available to go. The dining room is open tonight. We open at 5 o'clock, so make a reservation. It does seem that we have a lot of reservations. Hopefully it is going to start getting nice outside so we can start opening our back garden up. It's open if you want to sit out there. You're more than welcome to. We're not doing full service out there until it warms up a little bit, but feel free to sit outside. So a lot of other names coming on, a lot of other people. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Tiffany. Hello, Michael. Hello, Justin. Hello, Matt. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the drink that I am making today is called CS Revenge. It is from one of our old employees, somebody who worked for us for a few years ago. He no longer works for us. I'm not even sure where he is. He's down south somewhere. But Carl Solomon, we were on the phone with him yesterday. He knows I do these Facebook Lives, so he gave me this recipe. So I am not a big absinthe lover. I don't think in the full year now I have made a drink using absinthe. But he loved absinthe. He used to sell absinthe like crazy. Absinthe is made out of wormwood. It is legal in New York. This is a St. George absinthe from California. So we'll be using that. We are going to be using organic vodka. And we are going to be using cherry liqueur from Luxardo and Q ginger beer. So let me get everything together here. We are going to pour everything right into the glass. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of organic vodka. I am going to add 2 spoonfuls of absinthe, so not a lot. So I'm just going to use this little spoon. It does not get a lot of absinthe, so hopefully I can do this here without spilling it everywhere. So it's probably like 1/4 of an ounce of absinthe. I am going to put a splash of the Luxardo cherry liqueur in there. And I am going to top it off with this awesome Q tonic ginger beer. So, come on, there we go. I'm gonna top that off. And you have what we have now called the CS Revenge. I have not had this. I am not a huge absinthe fan. Wow. Woo. It is strong smelling like absinthe. Absinthe tastes like, I guess like licorice-ish to me. So, oh, it's actually better than I thought.
It's really good.
Marcus likes it a lot, so he's gonna have this drink.
I gotta go run still.
Hello, Aletha. Hello, Pat. Hello, Tracy. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. So this is a CS Revenge, just kind of a drink that one of our ex-bartenders used to make. So cherry liqueur, ginger beer, organic vodka, and absinthe. So quick, easy drink. Hello, Richard. Thank you for joining me. If you are watching me live, put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. Thyme is open this weekend. Call and make reservations, 647-3000. Call and place your order. Don't forget our 2 ribeye special to go with a bottle of wine for $34.99. That is available all of April. That is our big deal this month. 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. If you don't eat meat, you can have salmon or the Indian chickpea and eggplant dish. Our $9.99 special for this week is our grilled calamari, so add that on. Get the ribeye special and the grilled calamari. And then Sunday, if I don't make it on by Sunday, is our shrimp and mussel green curry to go. So happy Easter, everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. If I can get on tomorrow, I will. Cheers, and we will see everybody soon. Stay safe.